Okay, this step isn't 100% enough. Too much is never enough. Anyway, that's all 4 of them. Nice. I'm gonna turn this down because it really likes to shoot out a lot. On max, and like full out like 2 feet, barely. But anyway, I'm gonna put it on min now. Okay, there it goes, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna go on here to make that rubber boot come onto it easy. Oh, oopsie daisy. Way too much. Okay. Dielectric. And yeah, that should do it. That's the prep. Now for the fun part, the spark plug specific tool, which has a rubber on the inside, which very conveniently will hold on to the spark plug. Goes in this way. Drop it in. I want to press on it, but I don't want to press on the squishy. Alright, and now I think I can get it in there with the extension bar attached, but sometimes that's rough. I'm going to take care of the front first. To do that, I had to loosen the radiator so it moves aside so you can reach in there and get a hold of this plug, pull it out. I couldn't get in there without an extension bar. Okay, so instead of using another extender, I decided to go with a different sized ratchet and do an adapter, which might give me enough clearance. So maybe now. There we go. I'm unscrewing it right now. Alright, one spark plug accomplished. Okay, it feels better now. It like really doesn't want this part to be in there, so I feel like I should have used a longer extension bar, but it's like really hard to get it in. So. Let's see if I have another extension bar. Alright, spark plug number 2. Oops. Woohoo! It's working. I'm going to resort to a ratchet now. No grittiness. Alright, now I think it'll be tight enough for the ratchet. It's be a lot easier with 2 hands. Nice and easy, and quarter turn tighten. Boom. Yeah. Just gonna go the way it feels natural. Okay, that's a little weird to me, honestly, that I can see all that. Well, I'm gonna go with it for now. Now for the third spark plug, it's hiding under this little cover, and I don't have the finger strength to grab it tight enough, so don't judge me. I'm gonna pop it off with a wrench. There she goes. Sweet. Alrighty, I got it out like a fish. And now we are just shoving the plastic back in, the rubber, and 1 pop, 2 pops. Hopefully that's good. Nope, 3 pops, 4 pops, 5. Okay, now she's sitting in there pretty good. Pretty good. Alrighty, so the last spark plug took me forever to find. It lives in here, behind this little color wheel. I'm touching it right now. That's a bad angle. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that either. How about that? Please forgive me. I don't want to hurt you. Yeah, I need to figure out how to get to it. I might go, since I have little hands, I might be able to sneak in here. Shit. I mean, glorious. So good. Shit. Yeah, no, there's no room for me to do anything in there. So, I'm gonna grab a smaller wrench. Perhaps you will be up to the task. Okay. How do people do this? Jesus. Okay. I am getting close. There's these wires in the way. Okay. Got a hold on it. But may I pry it? That is the question. And attempt to pry has failed. I'm gonna use 2 tools. I'm going to grab another wrench, use it as a fulcrum, and then try to push the other one down. Oh my god, it worked! Alright. It popped off. Sick. There it is. It's wiggling. Oh gosh, it's not possible to see on the camera. There's a little wrench around it. Popped it out. I got the wrench out. Now I can grab this wire. Spark plug thing. Get it out of the way a little bit. Okay, it's out of the way enough. I can see the spark plug. There it is, just peeking. After some wiggling, you can see there's the hole. And it kind of fell down this way. So, hello. Look a bit tired, aren't you? Alrighty, round 3. Just kidding, it's more than that, but got the longer one. That's satisfactory. Once the ratchet stops ratcheting, then I hopefully we can retrieve this fish. Come on. Come on. Just a few more turns, I swear. Not happy. Maybe I'm putting an angle on it. That would not be good. Okay, now it's spinning a little bit more. Okay, it's still in there. Let's try again. sit on it and twist. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm going back to the ratchet. Oh lordy. Oh, it doesn't twist anymore. Let's see if we got it. Well, we kind of got it. It's like hanging out right there now. Shoot. Alright, resorting back to the rubber. Uh-oh. I need the number of stepper. I'll delete it. Spark part down. Last spark plug. And I'm just going at it with a wrench again instead of by hand, now that I know it's safe. Oh wow. Oh, sweet, tight, and let me turn. Please don't be too much. And please, like, oh. The spark plug pushed the extension bar off. I'm concerned. Yeah, it doesn't want to sit back on it because, like, the tip of the spark plug back end has pushed my extension out. I feel like I need to loosen it to get my extension bar down far enough to be able to pull out the socket. So, back to loosening. Just a little twist. Now what? Now. Okay. Alright. What do I do now? Do I tighten it? Probably. I'm gonna go back in there and see if I can give it a twist without it popping me out. Okay. Quarter turn. Yep. Alright. I'm not gonna push it anymore. Cool. And last part, putting that rubber boot on, pushing it from that side, got it over the hill and down. Doesn't want to do it. I'm gonna do this guy. I'll try to get the first one by hand, since the angle matters. Got it. Yeah. Little push. So on this last one, I had a hard time getting it out, and it fell out of this thing. So out of concern, out of trying to be careful, I'm going to put some sticky tape on it for a little more whatever tightness. So here we go. I'm gonna put the new spark plug in this way, push it in, see, oh yeah, that's sitting in there nicely. I don't have to worry about it crashing down. Okay, into the abyss. See if it feels right. Does not feel right at all. Don't like this angle at all. It's okay. I love you. Everything about you. All your angles. I love you, Susie. Okay, cool. This feels kind of right. Please, dear God, be right. Righty-tighty. Yeah, I think it's in the right place. Yeah, if I pull, I feel resistance, so that's good. Alrighty, got an extension on it. I have the rubber insert. Throw them in. Let me made sure it's gonna twist the right way. I feel some tension.